Okay.
Thank you.
Kiralo. Ate.
Hi.
Tricks.
Welcome to Boracay.
Uy.
So you can have non-motorized water activities at yung yellow umbrellas po is our sun loungers. Pwede po kayo maglakad dyan. Next is Movenpick and Crimson. So yung ating rooms po, naka-distribute siya. Meron tayong mga garden wing rooms doon and then meron po tayong sea view rooms dito. Tapos may villas po on top and may villas din po dito sa baba. Main building dito po tayo pupunta sa 4th floor. Diyan po yung registration natin.
Okay.
Ate,
It is 13 hectares.
Oh, so we can just chill here.
13 hectares po. So, we have some complementary activities po that we will show it to you. And then make a restoration. And then there's a QR code you can just talk to us through WhatsApp instead of dialing 0. Para po mas mabilis po para sa iyo.
Thank you. Uy, shucks. Cheers.
wow. May palpurani. Ding mabis. Christian, pwede ako.
Really?
Thank you.
So once more po, if you have any request for straight, just dial 0. And then for the balcony door po, just ensure that it's entirely closed so that because the air conditioner will turn off po as soon as you open it. So thank you so much. Enjoy your stay.
Tandaan niyo 442 tayo.
440.
442.
Ah.
Colors of the year. 442.
Ano pangalan niya?
Narinig ko na siya sa'yo. Kailan eh.
Hindi ka sure. Bakit na?
Tatakbo.
Ate, ang laki ko na. Huwag mo na patakbo. Pagbalik na.
Bakit ayaw mo tumakbo? Eat. Uy, langaw. Baby, ano yan?
Kinaano, soup na lang.
Ano?
Soup.
Hindi ka na?
Kakain. Magsusup na lang.
Mamayang gabi. Okay. Deal.
Uy!
Yan.
Ang isa tayo.
Thank you.
Oo, isang sumena.
Pero kanina medyo mahulap, pero hindi naman.
Buti na lang. Kuya, madami kayong bag.
Ay mo po, more or less 30 po.
Ah, ang dami din, no? Oh my God, palusong. It's a ride. Oo. Malayong lakarin. Okay lang. Ay. Grabe naman yun. Hi.
Ay. That's it. Thank you.
Soup lang. Soup lang ba yan?
Yes, sir. Soup lang pala.
Ah, last bite.
Last bite. Thank
Okay,
you.
Lord. Huwag naman last. Damihan mo pa.
Gusto ko nga. Tingnan ko. We'll see.
Ano, babe? Soup kasi eh. Tignan natin. So nice. Nasa cliff. Ow.
Yun yung dilata, no?
Maybe.
Hanggang ano oras may bag? Ah, kala ko dito na.
Ano kalagay, babe? Do not panic.
Okay, so we're here at Team of Level 4.
In case of...
Batangas.
Ano in case of?
Emergency. Don't panic. It's organic.
Baby.
Onin.
Ikaw pala yung may susi. Yung bukas?
Ayoko na ng ganito, be. Sobra. Sobrahan tayo ngayon. Nakakakain. Gusto ko bukas all day tulog.
Ito, amenity, sayang naman.
Naiiwan namin. Pag
Pag oras na lang ng pag bumalik kayo